Welcome everyone to the 9th event of the Marbolympics. This event is not no ordinary event. The marbles will be submerging into water for this event. We're doing one big race. It's another tournament event. You've seen them all before. The standings, Balance Chug's having a humongous lead, over 10 points. And Poe's currently in second. Okay, let's see our example run. Example marbles. See him a lot. You've seen him in almost every episode. They'll be going through a race in the water where gravity is going to change. Oh, look at Example Marble 2 over there. Example Marble 2 is not even going to finish the race. And this track does have some errors in it. I'll make this race change at any time. There you go. As you can see. Example Marble falling out. Roblox Noob, Mike Wazowski, Cookie, and Hamlet. Of course. We're going to have Roblox Noob and Hamlet taking out the top two positions. Mike Wazowski pretty close behind, but Hamlet currently in the lead. Roblox Noob is going to take the lead. Going out of the triangle, anything can change in this area of the race. Roblox Noob is now going to take the lead, beating Hamlet. Going out here, Mike Wazowski out in last place now. Oh, we're going in the staircase, and Cookie is now going to take second and advance to the next round. Roblox Noob will also make it. Hamlet and Mike Wazowski are out. Homer, Joe Biden, Balance, Chugs, and Toad. We're going to have Balance, Chugs really taking the lead now. Homer Simpson's now going to take second place. Before it was Toad. Joe Biden up close now. Balance, Chugs. Oh, here goes Joe Biden now in the lead. Here we go. Oh, Balance Chugs is stuck. Marble is currently winning in the Marbolympics. Is stuck on the course, everyone. Stuck, I say. Well, Toad and Homer Simpson are going to make it. Balance Chugs, though, is not going to make it. Let's see, he got stranded. The same spot Example Marble 2 did. Elmo, me, SpongeBob, and Among Us. Having SpongeBob and me in the top two positions. I'm now in the lead. Coming up tight in second place. Among Us in a pretty far away third. Okay, the triangle, anything can happen here. SpongeBob is currently in the lead. I'm in second place. Me up down there in third. I'm trying to catch up and take second place and move on to the next round. Oh, it's close. SpongeBob's going to win, and it's Elmo who's going to take second place. I'm out of a race, and Among Us is as well. All slow times with that back, too. Oh, Peter Griffin, Scratch Cat, and Peppa Pig. Every single marble here. No, not every marble's won an event. Peppa Pig hasn't, I thought. So, Peter Griffin, though, is taking the lead. Oh, second place. There's Scratch Cat up in third. Here we go. Oh, we have a big collision up here, putting Scratch Cat in the lead. There goes Peter Griffin in second place. Oh, in the last place. For like the first time in the Marbolympics, I'm actually saying that. Scratch Cat, though, is going to take the lead and win the race. Peter Griffin, second. Pig taking third. And Poe in a 2-second difference for last place. See, Balance, Chugs, and Poe, the two who are doing great in the Marbolympics, are going to get the bottom two positions. Everyone else's score if you're curious. Cookie, Elmo, SpongeBob, and Homer Simpson. SpongeBob and Elmo currently taking the top two positions. There's Cookie up in third place. Homer Simpson now in fourth. SpongeBob taking a bigger lead out in the next area. They're going to slow down. Now, everyone is currently going crazy with it. Oh, Homer Simpson's going to be real good for that turn, but it's still going to stay in last place. And oh, he's going to go straight route and is going to take second place and move on to the finale. Oh, and Cookie are going to take on two positions there. Roblox Noob, Scratch Cat, Toad, and Peter Griffin. Going out of the gate, it's Scratch Cat and Peter Griffin out in the top two positions. Toad up in third place. Toad hasn't really done anything big in a long time since like event 4, where he won the event. Scratch Cat and Peter Griffin playing to war for the top two, and I think they're both going to make it. Oh, here goes Roblox Noob. It's going to be close, and it's Roblox Noob who's going to make it into the next round. barely, by not even a few hundredths of a second. Here's going to take 5th, though. There's Toad, Elmo, and Cookie. Finale, Homer, Scratch Cat, Roblox, and SpongeBob. SpongeBob has not gotten a single medal in the Marbolympics, even though he's in like 6th. Will he be able to finally get a medal? But he's currently in the lead. In the lead, I say. He actually has won every single race that he's competed in so far in this event. SpongeBob going to take a big lead. I think he's already won. Roblox Noob and Homer Simpson out for silver. Well, Roblox Noob's going to catch up a little bit, but it's no competition. And finally, SpongeBob is going to earn a medal, and not just a medal, it's gold. Roblox Noob, though, is also going to get silver. Roblox Noob's last place in the standings. Homer Simpson, a bronze. Not bad for him. Everybody on the podium celebrating their glory. Balance Chugs is actually going to stay in the lead, but SpongeBob up 4 spots into 2nd. Homer Simpson's going to go up into 6th as well. Roblox Noob in last place gets a silver and is going to go up to 12. Poe's going to lose 3 spots and is now in 5th. Homer Simpson's, I already said that. Bye.